Fame. Noun. The state of being known. Synonyms. Celebrity, celebrity, glory, glory, honor, honor, reputation, reputation, prominence, prominence. Antonyms. Contempt, contempt, disgrace, disgrace, oblivion, oblivion, shame, shame, ignominy, ignominy. Use in a sentence. You have heard about her fame, haven't you? You have heard about her fame, haven't you? He will be publicly disgraced for what he did. He will be publicly disgraced for what he did. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Oh, let's do it one more time. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Why do most political careers end in ignominy? And in ignominy, and in ignominy. Oh my god. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Ignominy. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Why do most political careers end in ignominy? And in ignominy. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Oh, yes, this is it. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Yeah, this is it. One more time. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Yes, this is it. I did it. Why do most political careers end in ignominy? Yeah. Well done, Helen.